Web scraping simply is the process of extracting data from websites. For example, this is my website here, my home page. If you right click anywhere and click on view page source, I think you know all websites are rendered in HTML in your browser. You can see this HTML document. And let's say you want to read the title here. So you want to scrape this page, my home page, and read the title. Let's say we are building an intelligent SEO analyzer, for example. So you want to read the titles of web pages from our scripts. How to do that? Simply with web scraping. So I will delete everything here. I will create now a script that can read my website and then extract this title tag. A simple practical example on web scraping. Step number 1 is, in case your terminal is closed, click on terminal here and new terminal. Now we are going to install a library. This library will help us scrape websites. It is called Beautiful Soap. Simply say pip or pip install and paste the name of the library or the module or the package you want to install. It's Beautiful Soap 4. Enter and just wait for the installation to finish. In my case, it's installed. In your case, it will take a couple of seconds or minutes to install, depending on your internet connection. When it's installed, simply we are going to import the package in our code. Simply say import BS4, Beautiful Soap 4. Step 2 is to import the requests module or package. This will help us access websites from our code. It's like opening the website from our script. Then we are going to create the URL variable, and I will enter a domain name here to scrape, a website to scrape. In my case, it is my website, lewerhassan.com. Step 4, create a new variable. I will call it, for example, req request or something. We are going to save the request to our website inside, and then say request.get and pass the URL as a parameter to this function. This is a function in the requests module we are using directly when we imported it in our code here. So now we have the website opened. We want to read the HTML. As we mentioned, this is the website. We opened it in our code now. In a way, it's like a simulation, just to understand the concept. Now we are going to read this code, this HTML code. Go back to our script. Simply, we will use now Beautiful Soap. Oops, we have a problem. We need to import BS4, import Beautiful Soap in this way. So we need to import Beautiful Soap in this way. So from the BS4 package, we are going to import the Beautiful Soap class and then use it. We are going to pass two parameters here. The text of the request that we got, which is the response in our case. Let's call this response. I think it's better. Response that we got from the website, and then we are going to use the HTML parser to parse the HTML and read our code. We save this in the soap variable, and now we can read the content of the page. For example, the title is equal to soap.title in this way. Let's try this. Print title. I will run the code now, execute, and you can see now we got the title tag inside our code. So we scraped the website and extracted the title tag. Let's see here, what do we have? Let's say you want to extract the meta description, this one here. How to do that? Let's see. Let's delete this. I will create a meta tag variable. Now I will use soap to find 4 meta tags. I will find all the tags named meta with attribute name is equal to description. Let's go back to my website to see this in action. You can see now meta tag, the name description. We want now to read the content. How? Simply go back to our script and define a new variable called meta description. And from the meta tag, we are going to get the content attribute or the value. And let's now print it. Print meta description. Let's run the code. And you can see now I got the meta description here. Discover how to achieve, blah, blah, blah. So this web scraping, it's about reading website, parsing this HTML code and reading data from it. This is very helpful when you don't have certain APIs, when you want to read certain data from specific websites and use them inside your AI applications. For example, later on, we will see how how to read a full blog post and summarize it with our language model. For example, you can open this article from your script, from your code. The language model will read it and summarize it for you.